Today's a great day because I get to go on a culinary journey through the Middle East, which just happens to be my favourite cuisine. Riki Kaspi opened the Cooking Professor back in 2012, and with her dedicated team of chefs, they take you through the world of food from Vietnamese, the Middle East and Indian. The interactive classes are designed to reignite your passion for cooking, and it's a great way to meet new people. Riki, you never had recipes growing up. You learnt from your family and the community around you. Is this what makes you so passionate about passing on your knowledge?
Yes, actually, I was really lucky as a child to taste so many cuisines. In Israel, we have immigration country, people from all around the world, and I tasted Persian food, Iraqi food, Romanian food, Moroccan food, French food. My mom would ask all the neighbors, how did you do this? And I was listening all the time. I wasn't aware that all the recipes got into my brain while she was interrogating everyone.
What are you finding people are taking from your classes? What's the major thing that they're walking away with?
I think simplifying complicated dishes, making it really accessible to everyone at home, getting high flavors for the whole family, and get the flavors right.
So fresh food.
Oh, definitely. With us, it's salad. Israelis use salad in every meal. Breakfast for us, it's a salad. Lunch is a salad, and dinner is a salad. All the rest will go around it, but the main part of the meal, every meal, is a salad. But not a boring salad.
Not a boring. Well, that's what I love about Israeli food is you've got the earthiness, but then you have those nice acid, citric balancing flavours.
Yeah.
But then how much does spice play a role in Israeli cooking?
In Israeli cooking, we don't actually use much spice. We use a lot of vegetables, especially seasonal vegetables. We make sure they're really tasty. We don't buy the packed vegetables. We choose every tomato or in season on its own for the right use, and we use a lot of herbs. That way we increase the flavors, and citrus, obviously, the rind, the flesh, all these things bring salads to the best ultimate flavor. And people, when salad is tasty, trust me, they will finish it.
So where do we get to use your amazing spices?
All my products are really designed for every person to cook at home without the bother of creating the flavor. The flavors are already done for them. All they need to do is put it together with very few ingredients and create a good meal.
Okay, so I'm really hungry now. What are we cooking tonight?
We are going to cook the king of the dishes in Israel, the icon of the Israeli food, shakshuka.
Yum, yum. Riki, we're getting great one-on-one time with you. How long do your cooking classes normally last for?
The cooking part is between 1.5 hours to 2. And then we have 1 hour to feast everything that we're cooking. We have a lot of food to go through.
So this is just entree?
That's just, oh, definitely. We have lots of things to go later. 1 egg per person with a little bit of the tomato sauce in it. So Caroline, I'll let you serve, and everyone please help yourself to harissa yogurt.
That's so good. So if you want to learn how to cook delicious restaurant quality Middle Eastern food and have a great time while you're at it, make sure to book a spot at the Cooking Professor. Thanks guys. Cheers. Cheers.